The last thing that you need to be stressing about when you're throwing a dinner party is the food. Today I'm going to show you a luxurious way to cook chicken wings so that you can be paying attention to your guests and not the wings themselves. So how do we do that? We marinate them, we pre-cook them ahead of time, and then when guests are here, our only duty is to finish it off in the fryer. The wings work on our timeline. We don't work on their timeline. We're gonna keep this very simple today and do a classic recipe with just fish sauce, except the technique and the way we execute it is going to be completely different from what you will normally find in a Thai-style chicken wing recipe. For about 1 pound of chicken wings, I'm going to do about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce or 45 milliliters, followed by about 2 teaspoons of sugar. It's going to give us a little bit of saltiness, umami, and sweetness all in one. Get your hands into it and start squeezing, because that's what's going to give you the flavor. And then we're going to let them sit for about 20 minutes, and you can do this up to a day in advance. Steam it for about 15 to 20 minutes just until cooked. We're achieving a couple things. It's tightening up the skin, it's releasing some of the moisture. It's actually going to pool a little bit in the bowl, which is a great ingredient for you. It's a byproduct. You can use it as a sauce. That's luxurious. We're just going to let those cool a little bit on this rack right now, and then we're going to go right into the fryer. At this point though, you could put them right into the fridge and save them for days, or even better, the freezer. It's time to fry the chicken wings now in the mother oil. What is the mother oil, you say? It's oil that's probably had about, 5 to 6 rounds of chicken fried in it this week, straining each time. Reuse it, no waste. Fry the wings at 375 while you sip on a nice cocktail with your guests, and then spread them out on a wire rack to drain before devouring them and being the hero. Wow. Look at this beauty. I think we just took golden brown to a new level without using any batter. Luxury. Just gotta give it a little light bite now. Just with this basic formula. Fish sauce. The wings have so much flavor and they have so much potential to add seasonings afterwards when they come out of the fryer. As always, the Thais know what they're doing.